Let's be honest, no one likes dishwashing and household cleaning. Nasty dishes, greasy cooking stoves, and stuck-on messes force you to use tons of harsh chemicals. It leaves some harmful detergent residue, which we eventually consume the next time the dishes are used. Also bad for the skin and for the environment. Did you know that your everyday kitchen sponge is probably the dirtiest thing in your home? They say it's worse than the toilet seat. Say no more. Introducing Aunt Genie's dishcloths, made of ultrafine true bamboo fibers. The fast, easy, and natural way to wipe off grease, grime, and stains without any dish soap and without leaving any scratches on any surface. Amazing, right? Aunt Genie just works. All you need is water. Just wet the dishcloth to clean any surface to disinfect and deodorize. When the job is done, simply wash it under running water. Aunt Genie is self-cleaning. Aunt Genie is completely stain-free. Aunt Genie never stains. With Aunt Genie, you can save time, money, and the earth. Let's put it to the test. Stubborn pasta sauce? It wipes off with ease. Stuck on messes? It comes right out. Greasy bacon fats? It knocks it out every time. Aunt Genie's secret is specially designed ultrafine long staple bamboo fibers. These organic fibers hold on to grease and food, then release it when you rinse it. Even the toughest oil stains like engine oil is no match for Aunt Genie. Amazingly, it never stains, so you can reuse it for months to come. Aunt Genie comes in 3 kinds: scrubber, dishcloth, and dish towel. This non-scratch rubber is heavy-duty. You'll love powerful scrubbing for stuck-on messes. Your traditional scrubbers need a lot of scrubbing and lots of dish soap. It may damage and scratch. However, with Aunt Genie's scrubber, all you need is water and a gentle rub. It magically cleans off stuck-on grease without a drop of dish soap. Go as hard as you can. Amazing degreasing with no scratches. Aunt Genie's dishcloth is super versatile. It magically deep cleans everything it touches. Therefore, great for everyday kitchen use like washing dishes, wiping coffee spills, ketchups, and mustard. Also great for removing tough stains and grimes. Afterwards, just rinse it. We're clean, bright, odorless every time. Aunt Genie is naturally antibacterial and odorless, and it's quick drying. It looks and smells new at all times. Aunt Genie is so absorbent that it holds all the eggs, cheese, and grease and releases everything at once. It's 30% more absorbent than your average cotton dishcloths. We often struggle to clean the tough-to-reach corners, but with Aunt Genie, those areas are spotless. We often struggle to clean the tough-to-reach corners, but now those areas are spotless. Again, do not use dish soap. Just wet it with water for all household cleaning needs. Aunt Genie's dish towel looks like waffles up close, providing more surface area, perfect for drying dishes. After a single wipe, no lipstick, no wine stains, and no water stains. Now, you can finally toss these century-old scrubbing tools and kitchen towels in the garbage. Aunt Genie's dishcloths will be the only household cleaning tools that you may ever need. Get Aunt Genie today. Once you go Aunt Genie, you'll never go back. Thank you.